Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you on how to install a mod pack much more easier with a special tool. Also the special question on how to create these mod packs at all, because it is a little bit difficult. And here I already have a fresh installation which is patched to 1040. And as you can see, the roads are not that beautiful, and that is something we want to change now as an example on how to apply the tool I want to present you. See you now. So over here we have a folder. I've already collected all files I wanted to install to GTA 4 using Open4, which is required in this case. I will open or show you Open4, but actually this is a very popular tool, so that is a different tutorial. Just look for on how to use Open4. This is all about using packages for Open4, but the question is now on how to create them much more easier. In this case, I have always used this tool here, which some people might know, which allows you to create also a mod pack for GTA 4. But the great disadvantage of this tool is definitely that you always have to click every single file you want to install for your GTA 4 game. And you can only select single files. So if I try to select multiple files, that doesn't work. And it will take you definitely hours in order to add all files for your mod pack. And imagine, because this tool is also very buggy, so it will also crash sometimes. And imagine you sit here 1 hour or whatever because you are a maniac, and and you try to collect all files for a mod pack, and it crashes and everything is gone. So in my case, this is, or in my opinion, because of that, this tool is definitely not suitable for this case. So I went over and programmed such a program myself, which is much better in my opinion, because you can simply specify a folder location where all your mod pack files are located at, and then it will just simply create your mod pack automatically, which runs in under a second, which is not not that slow. So let's take this for example. I have here my coolest mod pack. I go into it and let's assume I have downloaded some textures which will be placed into the GTA 4 directory folder called PC. This is the usual folder you can see if you just go into your GTA 4 folder, and then you can see also here the same structure as over there. So I go into PC, then into data, then into maps. This is just an example of some road textures I have downloaded. And imagine you have downloaded a lot of mods, and you do not always have to install every single mod. Open the archives with Open4, that is just a pretty mess. And if I open East, then I can see the single representations of my IMG archives of GTA 4. So you can probably remember I open here Open4 now. It may prompt you for selecting the GTA 4 folder, not a big deal. Now I'll go here into PC to show you what I mean. Data, maps, East. Then I go here into Bronx_e.img just for example. And then you can see that is something you can only do with Open4. And now you can see the folders are exactly named the same as the archives you can see here in GTA 4, like Bronx_e.img. This is because these files inside here will be later placed all into your corresponding GTA 4 archives. So as you can see, this is not the whole archive, because only the modifications you want to have in your GTA 4. This also has the advantage that, if some modifications do conflict with each other, so if you have 2 times the same file called, let's take this here for example, BXE_freeway probably 01, yeah, then it is probably not compatible with each other. Also a big advantage you would not have if you would use this other shitty tool, in my opinion. So yes, then we go back. Of course, this tool can also just replace files, of course, so not just removing specific files in an .img archive. So over here I have a whole archive, so that is also no problem. This can be replaced too. Remember, if you create a folder called like this archive, like gt xd.img, then it will try to take all the files from this folder in order to modify the archive. So that is the difference. Yeah, that was just an example. Of course, creating a file and folder with the same name does not work. Okay. You will receive, if you come to my Discord channel, we can talk about getting a license, because yeah, you have to activate it. As I already said, I have programmed it myself. That was pretty much mess. I have worked on it like 2 months. So just come to my Discord channel and we can talk about more, or writing, whatever. And you will definitely receive this one here called OIVTools Packer.zip, which you can extract now. Extract all, click on this here, and then just extract the files. And I will close this again. So here a new folder is being created, OIVTools Packer. I go inside this, and yeah, now I first have to close GTA 4 because my PC is almost exploding. This will take a little bit. Okay, my fans were really loud because now I had to exit the GTA 4 EXE in the background. That was yeah, not so good. So in this case, you have these files over here. First of all, yeah, just leave your modpack here. We now open the console by making a right click, open in terminal. And what we do next is we type in packer.exe, just press enter, and what it tells you now is yeah, to activate it. First, in my case, it is activated yet, but normally this wouldn't be the case, so you just have to put in your product key, which you can see over here. Just copy paste it. This is just an example. And yes, then you will be fine. Okay, next step is to specify the location where all your files will be taken from into yeah, for creating the archive. This is the syntax, meaning packer.exe. Then the first parameter is modpack source directory. And yeah, my opinion is that GUI applications like the free one here, they may be pretty looking, but yeah, real beauty comes from the inside, as you know. So if the application runs better in the background, I would prefer this application. Also, if this is here a console application. So in this case, I use packer.exe. Then my first parameter is this one here. I go to my modpack folder, copy the directory path, and use it as my first parameter. Maybe do it also in double quotes. Sometimes yeah, there might be some messing around with it, so just put it in double quotes and you will be fine. And now you can specify the name for your archive later, for your modpack. And I name it my cool modpack.oiv. Do not forget the .oiv in the end, otherwise this will not work. And this here, the dot and backslash, just means created in the same folder or directory where this packer.exe is running. So yeah, this is actually pretty easy. Yes. Now it prompts you for the name of your modpack. I use sample modpack, whatever. Now the version, you can use versions from 0 until or to below 10. and in this case I use 1.2. Then the author, just some sample author, whatever, and a short description. Also a maximum of 32 symbols. Description is short, and as you can see, yeah, this is actually my favorite part because this looks like some hacky stuff. Yeah, I pretty much enjoy it, as you can see. Yes, it will now create the archive, and yeah, this will maybe take a little bit depending on the hardware and whatever other specific aspects, whatever. Okay, now it is done. As you can see, yeah, a lot of bytes, very big mod pack, like 1 gig. And now I minimize it again. Then we go back and we can see, where is it? Over here. Ah, great. This is our mod pack, mycoolmodpack.oiv, and we can simply now open OPEN4 in order to install the mod pack with all the files. And yeah, this is just a random folder you can delete always, no problem, just for temporary stuff. And yeah, I click on this icon here now, Open Package Installer, and then I go to desktop where the archive is located at, which is over here and over here, I guess. Yeah, this one. So .oiv, mycoolmodpack, and yeah, as you can see, the same information as we have just typed into the console, sample modpack whatever, just some sample author, description is short, the version is also suitable here, 1.2, which I have just entered, and yeah, currently for GTA 4 only, but I might think about adding support for GTA 5, but I still need to add the technical stuff, you know. Yeah, that was some hacky to create this tool, definitely. Then just click on install, and yeah, this might also take a little while. Okay, now it says installation succeeded, perfect. I will now click on run GTA 4, and yeah. Okay, as you could see, it tried to open Steam, which is not good because I have, yeah, not a cracked version, but a patch version of GTA 4, a clean install with 1040 patch, which you will need for some mods. So I click on this modified executable, play GTA 4, and then we will see us, yeah, just in a few seconds again. Okay, very nice stuff. As you can see, everything runs fine. We have installed the textures with the modpack creator. Yeah, you can see definitely, yeah, these textures are definitely or have definitely changed. I mean, the old ones were really ugly, and yeah. Yeah, if you are interested, just come on my Discord, send a message, no problem. Then we can talk about getting a license. And yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.